Here at Pressure Luck. Piggy looks like he's constipated. See if we can fix that problem for him right now. Come on, little piggy. Let's fix your problem. We unconstipate you, my boy. Okay. Only 120. Jesus. It's not looking like it's giving anything. Alright, we'll be back and we'll get something else. We're going somewhere else. Okay. Triple Supreme Extreme. Can't we get some though? That's a real story right there. How do you even play this game? I have no clue how you win this, to be honest. And just like that, we out. Yeah, I have no clue. We'll be back. Yeah, Ultra Rise. Let's try our luck. I think we need like 8 butterflies so we could get the free spins. Like that. 8 of those. Two, 4. Actually, 1 through 5. Huh? We'll see. So far, nothing. Alright, you know what? I'm actually gonna start recording when I get something. So we'll be back when I get something. Told you I'm gonna be back when I got something. Is it the butterflies though, or what is it? $47. Not bad. Now all we need is that free game zone. A 160 bit. Okay. Should I go live with you guys for a second? See what else it wants to give me. And where should we stop? All 3 more. Oh, we need 6 or more to be awarded the free games. You guys want to be here live with me, or should I come back when we get something good? Let's go back to 80 cents. Alright, last one. We'll be back when we get something good. We came over here and these are line hits. $8 on the first line hit. Royal money. Jesus. If we get some free games, you already know. I'll show you to you. We'll be back. These are line hits, people. Line hits 9 times 2. That's $18 on the line hit. Oh, it don't get better than that. Okay, we'll be back when we get something better. Oh, you guys don't know. I was like, imagine if I got all 5 and I was like, ding, 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 and it happened. But I mean, I was missing 2 more, but. Let's go mystery since we didn't know we were coming here. 6 free games with 3. Ooh. You can't get better than that. Oh, what was that? 10 times 2. That's something. That's something. I'm not touching anything. I'm not touching anything. Not today. I'm sorry, people. You guys are gonna have to wait through it. I feel something great is coming. It's gonna be the greatest comeback of Mad Slots. Sheesh. You already know. I can't believe myself yet. Imagine it was on $5. $5 holla. Sheesh. I've been really good. And I was missing if they would have put since it's mystery, you know, and they only put 2 or 3. If I would have had the 3 right here, that would have been like a full screen. Definitely would have been something great. Okay, we got the audacity. So, the audacity is playing with me. No way. That's literally all they wanted to give me. Oh, well, there you go. At least I got some back. We'll be back when we get some milk. Stolen line hits. I'm gonna give you some live spins on 176. See if you guys are my good luck. Three more. Oh, you guys seen it? 2 more. All right, last one. All right, we'll be back. We'll get some else. Look at the audacity. I got 4 and needed 1 more. How is that possible?